right, so this is what I'm cooking up. This is what I'm planning to do, right? So I'm planning to have this right here go here, right? Then these holes, one to the right and one to the left. Okay, so say for instance, on one side, then the former on the other side. I could use 2 tons or a former, wherever you want to do. Come over here. So guys, you see, right here, go around here, then right there, right? Put this and this, boom, or put your nozzle right here, spray one side, foam on the other side, and you're good to go. So for me, that's a nice setup. I'm gonna make it even much better, because what they call me, Mr. Bing. All right, see you guys later. Oh, sorry guys, please like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you think about my idea, and if you have any ideas, please let me know. Okay, see you on the next video.